Crack open your smartphone. There's lots of chips inside, but you won't find any from Intel. The largest chip maker in the world has dominated the PC industry for decades, with its chips inside 80% of computers. But as computing has moved from that tower on your desk to the smartphone in your pocket, Intel and its CEO, Paul Otellini, are on the outside looking in.
Would I like to have been early? Yes. Do I think this is a problem entering today? No. I think we're at the beginning of this thing. We have the opportunity to redefine what computing means in your pocket. And I don't see any other player in the industry with that potential.
It might still be the beginning, but mobile chips are already big business. And in the next few years, the market will reach nearly $30 billion. That's helping companies like Qualcomm, which builds low-power mobile chips, become a $15 billion a year business. Intel has taken notice and is making some big bets of its own, investing billions in new mobile chip plants and making mobile acquisitions.
What's at stake here? I mean, the long term, looking at entering the mobile market now finally, do you need mobile? Do you need to make it in mobile?
I think it's important. No one knows exactly how the future of computing is going to play out. The trend, though, is the trend line is very clear. Things are getting smaller, lighter, more mobile.
There's some early signs of progress. Intel recently announced they'll power upcoming Android phones from Motorola. And despite multiple early setbacks, Otellini thinks Intel is well positioned for the future.
A year ago, our plan was to ship phones with Nokia, right, in the fourth quarter of 2011 on an operating system called Moblin that we were jointly developing with Nokia. Nokia changed their mind last February. So in the intervening 10 months, we've pivoted. We took our chips and ported them over to Android, and now we're coming back out, in Q2. So from my perspective, yeah, it's a little bit later than I would have liked, but we've done a complete pivot here and actually are in a much better position now than instead of having just one customer on a semi-proprietary operating system, we have multiple customers, as you'll see over the next several months, shipping on Android.